on Earth, confused and lost. Wandering through a quiet neighborhood, it encounters a curious dog. The dog, named Max, sniffs the alien fearlessly. Max wags his tail, showing trust and excitement. The alien, initially scared, senses Max's friendliness. Slowly, they bond through playful interactions. Max leads the alien to his home, offering shelter. The alien finds comfort in Max's companionship. They explore the world together, learning and adapting. Their friendship grows stronger every day. In the end, the alien and Max share a unique, unbreakable bond. Like what you see. Subscribe for more heartwarming stories.